In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom message Facebook Marketplace 2026. If you sell on Marketplace, you know how quickly buyer messages can pile up. A custom reusable message, often called a saved reply or quick reply, lets you answer common questions fast without retyping the same details every time. Here's how to set it up so you can reply in seconds while still sounding personal. Start by opening Facebook and heading into Messenger. Marketplace conversations run through Messenger, so that's where your message tools live. Open any buyer conversation related to your listings. It doesn't have to be the perfect thread. This is just the place you'll access the tools to create your reusable message. Next, look near the message field for the plus icon or message tools. Depending on your app version, or whether you're on mobile or desktop, it may appear as a plus button, a small menu, or an extra tools panel. Tap it to expand more options. From the expanded tools, find saved replies or quick replies. The exact name can vary, but they do the same thing. Store a message you can drop into any chat with a tap. Open that section, then choose Create New Reply. Now it's time to write the message you want to reuse. Keep it friendly and clear. A solid structure is a short greeting, the item details, your key policies, and a simple next step. For example, hi, thanks for your interest in item. It's currently available for price. Pickup is near area and I can meet most evenings. If you prefer shipping, I can provide a quote. What day works for you? Use brackets as a reminder of what to customize before sending. Keep it concise, 2 to 4 sentences is usually enough, and avoid sharing personal contact info or external links to keep conversations secure and within Facebook's guidelines. When you're happy with the wording, save it. If you're prompted to add a title or shortcut, choose something easy to recognize like availability update, pickup details, or shipping info. A clear name makes it effortless to find the right reply later. From now on, whenever a buyer messages you, open the chat, tap the plus icon or tools, pick saved replies or quick replies, and select your saved message. It will paste into the typing area so you can make any quick edits, like the buyer's name, the item title, or a meeting time, before you hit send. It's one tap to drop in, a few seconds to personalize, and you're done. That's all you need to create a custom marketplace message that saves time, keeps your tone consistent, and helps you close sales faster.